You are looking at the cloud cover, the cumulus clouds drifting by, reflected in the windows of the Big Blue building downtown. It is a beautiful day out there. That's from our 21C Museum Hotel live weather boat camera. And it is 72 degrees in Lexington, so it is warm as well, but nowhere near as warm as it was at this time yesterday. We have cooled down significantly. And the good news is there isn't really much coming our way. So let's talk about what happened yesterday after the storms, because we got a beautiful rainbow. This is from Madison County. Tyler Ross sent this into the newsroom. This, of course, in the wake of the storms. And in addition to severe storms, we had some wind. Check it out. 77-mile-per-hour wind gust at the Mesonet site in Clark County. That's about 3 miles northwest of Winchester there. We were generally in about the 40 to 50-mile-per-hour range, but everything is considerably calmed down. We've got a max track that shows the showers and storms all coastal heading east. There's a severe threat along the east coast today. And everything is just really simmering down. And we need it to, because Ohio, Michigan, and right here in Kentucky got hammered with strong to severe storms yesterday. We had a number of power outages, tree limbs down. Those two tend to go hand in hand. Unfortunately, we're done with that. We've got mostly sunny skies on tap for later on today, and not a whole lot heading our way. There's a ridge trying to build in, and then it'll back off and a cold front will drop south. This frontal boundary into the weekend really isn't going to do much. It's basically moisture starved, so it'll drop south. We may see an isolated shower into Saturday as you go through the day. A little bump in cloud cover as well. And that's going to be about the extent of what we see into the weekend, because behind this front that went through yesterday, we have this drier air filtering in. Nice weather, lower humidity, especially by June standards. I mean, we were just in the swamp. It was humid. And now you've got a dew point that's down in the low to mid 50s. That is very comfortable air out there, and it just feels really refreshing when you walk outside. Temperature wise, yeah, I told you we're in the low 70s right now. And we're running anywhere from about 10 to almost 15 degrees cooler now than we were at this point 24 hours ago. And yesterday we hit our first 90-degree day of the year on top of everything else that was going on, the storms, the severe weather. We finally hit that 90-degree mark. Our average first 90-degree day is usually June 14th, so we were just a little ahead of schedule. For today, no 90s. In fact, we'll top out probably either side of 80 degrees. Low 80s south, upper 70s here. Mostly sunny, cool, and dry. A beautiful afternoon. Tonight, upper 50s, mostly clear and cool. Now tomorrow, we've got sunshine and we've got highs back to around our average high in the low 80s. And then into the weekend, there's that bump in cloud cover I was talking about, and just an isolated shower chance. Again, I don't anticipate much in the way of precipitation. You want to factor that in if you have anything outside, that very low chance for an isolated shower. Cooler air continues to filter in over the weekend, though. We're going to drop down into the mid to upper 70s again Sunday, Monday, below average, and then eventually get back into the low 80s. And one thing you do notice on that 8-day forecast, if you didn't pick much rain up yesterday, there isn't much coming.